Happy 500 subscribers! Like, subscribe, and comment.
Hello! So we've noticed that you've been watching our content, but please make sure to subscribe so that we can create more content just for you.
Ayan, CCS2. DCEV.
You just have to pay for parking. Hindi nagana yung dalawa, boss. Isa lang. Sira. Sira.
Yeah.
Yun, no? Yan. So, Rockwell Power Plant actually offers free charging. Yes, the VF3 can charge here. You just have to pay for parking, of course. So, they do have a DC charger with 2 plugs. Kaya lang sira daw yung isa. So, we'll see. Although, mabilis lang naman tayo. So, let's go. Before actually, this was already working. Nakapag-charge na kami dito last year. Pero the problem was, nasira siya and then they changed it to AC. But now, it's DC again. So, it's also free, but you just have to pay for parking. So, this is one of the charging stations that's nearest to us. Yay! 99% na. Sayang di kami team libre ngayon kasi may pay parking. The rates here in Rockwell Power Plant Mall is 70 pesos for the first 4 hours. So, expect nyo na 70 pesos na agad yung babayaran nyo. Kasi, hindi naman kayo aabot ng more than 4 hours to charge. Even from maybe 15 or 20% to 100. So, yun. Another charging station near to us. Kaya lang, yun nga, may bayad yung parking. So, isa na to sa pinakamalapit sa amin. So, okay na rin until we get to free charging again. Yan, hello. So, in one of my vlogs, I showed you that we joined the bazaar in Arca South Taguig. So, we're now going to return some items to our home in QC. So, join us. So, tignan nyo kung gaano kapuno si VF3 today. Let's go! Yan. So, punong-puno. Table, 4 feet by 2 feet. Tapos, food warmer. Yung ginamit namin ng bazaar. Yan. So, EDSA, northbound. Welcome back to reality. Traffic na naman. So, soli lang namin yung mga gamit. Yung mga ginamit namin sa bazaar. Sa house namin sa Quezon City. Current state of charge is 91% with 193 kilometers for the remaining range. Sayang, na-break yung aming Team Libre streak kasi last night we charged at Rockwell Power Plant Mall. The charging is free pero pay parking siya eh. So, first 4 hours is 70 pesos. So, less than an hour lang naman kami. So, we paid 70 pesos. So, sayang. Yan. So, we actually found another charging station here in San Juan. En Domingo in front of Iglesia ni Cristo. The building is Cornerstone Building. And it's actually sa basement ng Popeyes. So, pasok kayo dun sa basement. And then I'll show you the charging station later. So, may mga nakapila na green GSM dito. The charging station kasi is just one charging station with 2 CCS2 plugs. So, pagbaba nyo sa parking ng Popeyes, medyo madilim lang. Wala silang ilaw eh. Pero there's a VinFast charging station. 2 CCS2 plugs. So, ayan, may green GSM na nakapark. Nag-charge. So, yun. So, nandun lang naman yung entrance ng Popeyes. Nandun lang siya. Sa pagbaba nyo, nandito yung charging station. So, medyo madilim lang dito. Walang ilaw. Yan. So, operational na siya. So, it went offline for some time. I think January or Feb, dinaanan namin siya. Hindi siya operational. Pero ngayon, working na siya. Kasi, what happened was, dati naka-generator lang siya. So now, nakatap na siya sa main line. So, it went operational daw, I think, just this March. Sabi nung green GSM driver. Yan. So, right now, they're charging. To isang 33, isang 92. So, patapos na yung isa. Yan. There you go. Yan. So, we've noticed a couple of questions on Facebook regarding battery subscription. So, today we'll actually be heading to VinFast EDSA Green Hills. That's the casa where we got the VF3 from. And we'll talk to one of their agents as well as our agent. So, yung nagbenta sa atin ng VF3 natin. So, that's Daryl. So, we'll talk to him as well. They will be answering questions about the battery subscription as well as the RVG. As far as I know, VinFast lang naman kasi nag-offer nun ever since. So, we'll check what it's about and hopefully masagot yung mga tanong nating lahat. So, stay tuned. Sakto! May tatanong ako sa'yo.
Interview.
Nakapulot ako ng reverse cam.
I-reprogram natin yun.
Oo, pero yung wire,
Pwede kong ilagay na, kung i-request pa nila sa Vietnam yun, sir, para
para i-activate. Correct.
activate, tapos after activation, re-reprogram nila yun.
Yan. So we have Darwin.
Hello po.
So Darwin Ang, agent siya ng VinFast EDSA Green Hills. So he'll be answering our questions regarding battery subscription and RVG, which is residual value guarantee. Ayan.
Yes po.
So before that, syempre pakita namin yung mga units on display here. So sadly, wala ng VF3 dahil
Ito sa taas po ng demand ng car natin ngayon.
ayan. So actually, I think just last month or at the start of the year, nung tumaas ang gas prices, nasa mga 800 na agad ang sold nila. Ngayon, ilan na?
Around roughly 1,000 units na po tayo.
1,000. Grabe, so nagkakaubusan na.
So more pa.
ayan.
Yes.
So more pa yan. Ang second highest selling nila actually is the limo green. So tignan natin siya. So ang second highest selling nila ngayon is the limo green. And hindi na ako magtataka kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. If you're a family of maybe 4 or 5, the VF3 may be a bit small, pero the limo green is perfect. So,
Yes.
ayan. So, how much is yung SRP ng limo green natin?
Without battery subscriptions po, 1,399,000. And with battery subscriptions, 1,099,000 po.
Yan. So, 1,099,000. So, less than 1.1 million. Maraming nagtatanong tungkol sa battery subscription. So, ano ba ang nangyayari kapag nag-subscribe ka sa battery or for the battery?
For the battery po, kunwari po nakasubscribe tayo, 1,099,000. Yes, number one, mas pasok sa budget natin kasi mas lesser yung price. But ang kagandahan pa nun, hindi natin pagmamayari yung battery. Kumbaga, without owning, sino po ang nagmamayari? Si VinFast po. May monthly subscription tayo na 2,700 at na-reach natin 2,000 kilometers. But pag nag-unlimited mileage tayo, 2,000 and up or 150 po. Yung kagandahan nun, syempre, number one, pag bumaba yung percentage ng battery ng 70%, is papalitan siya ni VinFast. Kumbaga, worry-free tayo sa battery.
Yung battery health.
Yung battery health po pag bumaba po. Just better kasi hindi natin siya iisipin pagdating sa battery.
Correct.
Binili natin yung vehicle lang. And then pag nagpa-insurance tayo, number one, hindi nakasama si battery. And yung vehicle na lang po. Mas lesser din yung cost ng insurance natin.
Okay. And then, ang highest sales nila, of course, is the VF3.
Yes.
Sa VF3 naman, for example, magkano ang SRP and then magkano ang battery subscription?
SRP natin sa kanya, pag without battery subscriptions, 745. Pag with battery subscriptions, 590.
Okay.
And then ang monthly subscriptions po natin doon, unlimited mileage na siya, is the best for us, 1.6 po. Worry-free na tayo, sir,
okay,
sa
so
battery.
unlimited na pala yung 1.6.
Yes po, sir.
So, isa pang tanong. For example, hindi ako nagbayad ng 1 month, 1.6, hindi ako
Yes,
nagbayad. Anong mangyayari?
Yung nakalagay po natin sa contract po natin is magiging 50% yung battery percentage natin. Pag
Okay.
nag-charge tayo, hanggang doon lang siya. And then pag next month po is 30%.
Okay, sige. Tapos, paano makokontrol yung pag-charge? Kasi for example, nag-charge ako sa VinFast Marikina, which is V-Green charging station.
Yes,
so, libre siya. Paano malalaman ng V-Green charging station na hanggang 50% lang ako?
Actually, sa mga owners po, makikita nila doon na hanggang 50 lang talaga. Magkakat talaga siya as to 50 lang. Sa system po mismo ni VinFast. Siya po ang may control.
So, just make sure na nagbabayad ko ng 1.6 every month if you get the battery
Yes, po.
subscription. Hindi ako nagbayad ng 1 month, bababa ng 50%.
Sir.
30% na lang
Yes,
on the
po.
second month pag di pa rin ako nagbayad. Kailangan ko 100% kasi pupunta ako ng Clark, Pampanga. Magbabayad lang ba ako ng 1.6 o kailangan bayaran yung delinquent payments ko ng dalawang 1.6?
Kailangan pong bayaran yung delinquent
Okay.
payments natin
I
na
see.
dalawa. Opo. Coordinate at kay VinFast para ibalik nila yung sa natin, battery health po.
Ayan, so we're inside the VF7. So, nireview ko to before, so make sure to watch the video. So, ngayon, i-discuss naman namin ang RVG, which is the Residual Value Guarantee. So, yan, Darwin, what is RVG?
RBG po is isa po siyang program ni VinFast. Applicable sa lahat ng mga naka-VinFast owners. So, kung sakali naman po natuwa tayo at gusto natin mag-upgrade ng unit, within 12 months, babalik po natin yung unit sa amin. Bibilin po siya ni VinFast up to 80% po. Kumbaga, wala tayong pangamba pagdating po sa depreciation of value of car kasi si VinFast na po ang naglagay ng percentage. Kumbaga, sa number 1 po is up to 80%. Hanggang 4 years na po siya. Sa 4 years po natin, 66% po. Ano po ba yung
So, up to 4 years, ha?
Yes po.
Okay yun, 66% pa.
Yes po, sir.
Okay, ha?
And then, ang isa po dong inclusions, dun po nakalagay sa contract niya is kailangan po pag binalik natin siya as to stock, number 1. Syempre, yung i-appraise ni VinFast yun. Kung yung kasama yung wall charger, pag binalik natin ng maayos, kailangan insured yung unit with acts of nature. Opo, i-check ko po nila yun eh. And then, kung mating naman natin na good yung unit na ibalik natin, syempre, makukuha natin yung 80% dun sa value.
By the way, guys, ang RVG nag-start November of 2025. So, all units sold November 2025 onwards are actually eligible for the RVG. As long as, again, it is kept stock and also it is upon the appraisal and inspection of VinFast mismo. That's up to 4 years. Up to 4 years, 66% of the value of the car will still be returned to you. So we'll see ano pa ang promos and deals ni VinFast very soon. And if ever you guys are curious about the deals that they have here at VinFast EDSA Green Hills, make sure to visit here. And I'll also put Darwin's number
Yes, sir. Hello po.
in the description. Okay, sige. So, thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Yan. So, there you have it. Make sure to visit VinFast EDSA Green Hills to get to know more about the battery subscription and the RVG promo that they have now. Make sure to look for Darwin. I'll put his contact number in the description below. And good luck on your next VinFast vehicle. While we're here at VinFast EDSA Green Hills, again, dito ko nakuha yung VF3. Sobrang nakakatawa talaga dito even the after sales. Kaya rin palagi akong bumabalik-balik dito. So anyway, while we are here, tayo ay magpapakabit ng rear camera. So dito siya kinakabit. So may abang na siya kasi hindi siya stock na may rear camera. So thanks to Master Joko. Thank you.
Ang tawag dito, used na siya eh, pero
Okay lang.
pwede mo gamitin itong mount na to, pwede hindi.
Okay.
So label naman eh, front rear.
Yes. Alright. Oh, brother, thank you. VinFast
thank you.
yan. Thanks.
Thanks guys.
Nakakuha ko ng good deal sa kanya for his rear camera. Hindi niya na ginagamit kasi nga, he now has a 360 camera installed on his VF3. So, To my knowledge, he is the first one here in the Philippines who has the 360 camera on a VF3. Pero, syempre, ipoprogram by head unit to activate the rear camera, and si VinFast Vietnam mismo ang mag-activate nun. So, we'll have to come back for that. Pero, at least makabit niya na today. Nakatornilyo ba yan, Sir Aris? Nakatornilyo?
Hindi.
Tapos, may abang na siya na wiring. Ah, okay. Akala ko kasi, walang abang na wiring. Ah. So, ayun, may abang na pala na wiring ang VF3 for the rear camera. So, you just have to buy the camera separately and then have it installed. And what's important is that ma-activate yung rear camera sa head unit, which can only be done by VinFast Vietnam. Yehey! Teka lang. Alam mo naman ang producer ko. May mga tanong. Yan. So anyway, we're here at VinFast EDSA Green Hills. Daryl was actually my agent. So, I've been very happy with the VF3 since we got it August of 2025. So fortunately, ang service car ni Daryl kasi, coming to and from kung saan siya nakatira, yung VF3. So, kapag nagcha-charge ka ba, saan ka nagcha-charge? Unang-una.
Dalawang pinagcha-chargean ko, no? So, number 1, dito sa company.
Okay.
Para libre.
Para libre.
Number 2, sa SM North EDSA. Sa V-Green.
V-Green, okay. Ayun.
Sa Bulacan, madalas ako, sir, pag galing ako dito, Bulacan, balikan, naabot ako ng 40%. 40 to 43%. Okay. Pero kung umuwi ako dito, sir, sa Caloocan, dito sa may bandang monumento, 17 kilometers one way kasi yun eh. Naabot ako ng 4 days bago ako mag-charge.
Once a week.
Once a week.
Nagcha-charge ka.
Yes, once a week.
Tapos 100% yun.
100%. Pero yung Bulacan na yun, ano yun Santa Maria yun
So yung Caloocan, yung 17 kilometers.
Before,
tanong yan.
nakamotor ako.
Okay.
Motor ang gamit ko.
So kamusta naman ang paggamit mo ng VF3?
Pero nung gamit ko si VF3, mas maganda eh. Libre.
Once a week lang.
Once a week ka lang mag-charge.
Tapos libre pa kasi
Libre pa,
V-Green.
yes.
Ano naman ang paborito mo sa VF3?
Sa VF3. So, pinaka-best para sa akin is yung size niya. Hindi siya mahirap i-maneuver eh. No? Sa mga parking na masisikip, pati yung kalsada na masisikip eh. Ang dali niyang i-maneuver, isingit-singit. Plus, inakamaganda sa kanya, kahit na maliit siya, hindi siya mahina.
Hindi ka mabibitin
Hindi
sa
ka
kanya
mabibitin, kahit na maliit.
Naka-normal ka pala, naka-eco.
Normal ako lagi.
Normal ka palagi.
Kasi yung arangkada kasi, no?
Since nag-start ang taon na to, ilan na ang VF3 na nabibenta nyo?
Si VF3 talaga. For March only, no? Nakakuha kami ng 50 reservations for VF3.
50.
Ngayon,
So ngayong March 50.
Ganon katindi.
Yan. So last question. Ano ang balita sa mga additional VinFast or V-Green charging stations natin?
Ang maganda doon is may movement. May magpo-post sa community. Actually, ang ganda ng community Nagli-list ng
Sa
mga
GC,
charging stations Actually, doon lang ako nakakakuha ng idea. Ina-spread ko lang din sa mga clients ko. Big
Okay.
help community, big help yan. So, especially sa mga Vista Malls,
Correct.
Centro Malls.
Centro.
Malls, marami na yan. Abangan natin, dadami pa yan. So, actually, they are planning to build 15,000 charging stations nationwide.
Naghahanap na sila ng locations para ma-rent.
Yes, exactly.
Diba?
Kung may alam sila, yung mga viewers natin na bakating lote na hindi nyo na papakinabangan na o baka gusto nyo iparent.
Kita kayo.
Actually, magiging siya, madedevelop. Once na may charging station dun, pwedeng magkaroon ng coffee shop sa tabi.
Tama.
Kasi marami nang pupunta dun eh. Madala ako sa north hindi ako sa south.
Tama.
Vista Mall, Malolos. Puro VF3 ang nagcha-charge dun. NLEX ako, punta ako Vista Mall, Malolos. Then dinerecho ko na sa service road papuntang Pampanga, Clark. Kasi free eh. From SM
syempre.
North, diretso ka ng Vista Mall, free.
Kasi ibig sabihin, free ka
Toll gate lang
hanggang
ang binayaran
Pampanga.
ko.
Tama.
Pabalik
ng Caloocan.
Hindi, kaya na yun. Kaya na yun.
Kaya na. So yun lang. So again, visit VinFast EDSA Green Hills if ever you want to know more about their deals and promos for all their units. Pumila na rin kayo sa VF3 kung gusto nyo talaga siya kasi hahaba palalo ang pila. According to Darwin, Limo Green is the second highest sales that they have, and I think they still have units for the Limo Green. So make sure to reserve yours now. Okay? So thank you, Daryl.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Happy 500 subscribers! Like, subscribe, and comment.